should have watched it first.
Should we go do that?
No. I love lard. Okay, so last year we made fudge and we were stupid. Ready? Fudge.
This is our mixing bowl.
That's the tea. Spoon.
We burned our fudge. What is it missing?
This is my friend, Anthony.
You know,
I hit my 37th subscriber today.
why is it crunchy?
That's my question. I think it's because we burned it. Yeah, and we're not like that anymore. No way! So we decided to give it another run. We're gonna make Anthony. So we have a recipe. We're actually gonna follow it correctly this time. Last time we didn't. We like
Burned it.
Yeah, we cooked it for the whole time, even though we were doing 1/4 of the recipe. By the way, do you like my shirt? It's really funky. 9-minute fudge. So we need 8 ounces of confectioner's sugar, and if my calculations are correct, that is half a cup. If you want to know why your hair looks so cool, and I'm wearing this, go check out my video where we turn into disco girl. Stop promoting. Stop promoting. Okay, but
Maybe wait and put it. That smells very chocolatey.
I wonder why. I smelled milk. No!
Thanks.
Oh god.
She spilled more milk than me, and that's all I have to say about that. I don't know already, but we weren't
supposed to stir it, but we did for like a year. And now we need to melt the butter in there. That's pretty. So we did it until the butter melted, which was actually like a minute less than we thought it would be. It's looking so much better than it was last time. For that. If anyone missed what I just did, I literally licked the knob. Really? It looks like syrup. Drink it. It's so
I think it'll
liquidy. I don't know if it's gonna make it,
same.
Anthony. We can just draw a face.
I think maybe the fact that we were able to mold it into a person before it was frozen was a sign of how wrong we did it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So now, Jimothy. We thought his name was Jimothy for a while.
Yeah, we thought his name was Jimothy. But it was just Anthony.
This is Jimothy. That's great. Because, I mean, we were really weird. I would have thought that we would have made it a really weird, stupid name. This is Blomp. It's Anthony 2.0 Jimothy Blomp.
Look at how good it looks.
That is good. So now we need to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Or until firm. But the thing is, this is so much less than a real bag.
I'll be back. I'll be Beethoven. I know you belong to sorrow one body. Question of the day: is it a very big boy or a very small blimp? Hi. You should get subscribed to our channel.
No, don't. I'm so glad we're cool now.
So glad we're doing so much better.
Water sheet for president 2020.
They always say they'll come back, and then they never come back. Just like my dad.
She's fast, and she's furious.
You said furious.
I'm really glad we're pretty now.
It's starting day.
It's not solid.
Oh my god, I did it.
You did?
Oh, hi. Hey, girl, hey. Sorry. You like my style? Do you like my shoes? I don't like you.
Tucson.
I don't know why that scared me so much.
What did you do?
I'm not supposed to hear.
Yes.
Freaking
Tay! You know what's gonna hop on it? This video gets 1 million likes. We will do that. Okay, so this is what she or he, whatever, is looking like. Okay, so we're gonna just cut a little bit like right here. See, it won't harden.
I'm gonna lick this. It tastes the same but cold.
So much better than last time. It was so bad. I think it tastes a little bit different chilled, but not like a noticeably amount. It makes sense though, because it's literally
The same.
the same thing. Oh my god, stop!
Better than last time.
It's way better than last time.
I didn't even eat it last time because I thought it was gross.
Yar.
Don't do this at home. I'm eating this with a knife.
Oh, I thought you meant don't make it at home. I mean, if you want, I'll put the recipe down below just in case you really want to.
You ate his mouth.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is Jeremy.
Ah!
See.
We've been saying Jeremy.
This is Anthony 2.0 Jimothy Blom. This was successful.
Yeah.
I mean, even though we didn't let it cool like super long, so
clearly
it didn't
our
totally
IQs have raised.
risen. Even though we have some experience now.
Maybe not that much since I just used the wrong
Yeah.
tense.
By the way, I haven't worn space buns since that very day. Or maybe when I did that night routine, 2018, because it didn't look good, I'm not gonna lie. My hair's too thin, it doesn't work. And it looked, you know what I mean?
Am I your sleep paralysis, Steven?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. My stomach hurts now. That was such a fun time, yay! Thank you so much for watching.
You sound so distressed.
I am distressed. We became VSCO girl besties.
Oh.
Over there. Watch that and like this video, comment down below, subscribe for some more, and hopefully better content. If you made it all the way to the end, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you are awesome, and I love you. Bye.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.